G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. And today I'm having a bit of a chat with Samsung. Samsung, lift your game. So if the rest of you want to hang around and hear how I've had major problems with Samsung repairing my phone, then hit the like button and the subscribe button and let's get stuck into my video. Now, a lot of you who subscribe to my channel would know that over the years I have had a love-hate relationship with Samsung. I've got an S6 in the house, an S8, S8 Plus, Galaxy Note 9, Gear Fit 2 Pro, I've had the Gear Fit 2, I've had the Galaxy S7. So I've been a fairly loyal customer to Samsung. Yes, I'm bringing out the violin here, the world's smallest violin, and I'm having a bit of a bitch about Samsung because they really peed me off. I mean, I just spent 1,500 Australian dollars. Now, I was pretty impressed with what I got to start with. The one downfall I was really unhappy with was the battery, but everything else was pretty good, so I sort of just go, okay, I've got to charge it every day at 5 PM because that's just what I've got to do these days. Now, this has never been underwater. This has been near water, and I have taken photos of water, but it has never been underwater. Recently, I had a notification show up telling me that I had moisture in the charging port and that I couldn't charge my battery. And I thought, hey, maybe some water did get in there. It's alright, it'll go away in an hour or two, just like it did on the S8 Plus and the S7. No, I was wrong. It didn't go away for 24 hours. I couldn't charge it. I didn't have a wireless charger nearby, so I just had this phone that was slowly dying. Then I read online that lots of people have this problem with the Galaxy Note 9. And I actually found someone that said, let it drain down to zero, make sure it's off, plug in the charger, it'll say it can't charge, the warning will pop up, take out the charger, re-plug it in, and I'll be able to charge it. And I thought, beauty, it still must be a little bit wet, I'll see what's happened. Charged it up, unplugged it, turned it on, moisture in the charging port symbol still there. This isn't right. So then I contacted Samsung, and here you can see some of my spiel back and forth with the Samsung representative. Now I'm saying to this gentleman, mate, this is not cool. I've just spent $1,500 on this device and it's busted. Now I have to drive to a shop to get it repaired. I have to pay the petrol. I have to pay to drive on the toll roads. I have to take time off work. I have to do all these things because you provided me with a faulty product. There was nothing he could do about it. I asked to speak to his manager. I said, mate, this isn't cool. I'm a loyal customer. I've been with you for many years, spent tens of thousands of dollars. I finally got a faulty product. Fix it. I can't, he said. But I can relate to you, he said. I've got the same problem with my Galaxy Note 9. Why am I having problems? They've got the same problem. Their support staff have the same problem with the Galaxy Note 9 as I have. So I got to just take it on the chin. The next day they ring me up and they say, listen, we can't book you in with one of our Samsung people for at least 48 hours. Would you like us to book it in, or would you like to just go in there and wait and hopefully someone will be able to see you? I'm not going to wait 48 hours for an appointment. So I drive straight in to Samsung. I take my phone in. The guy, he gets out a dental pick and he starts picking at the charging port. Picking away and then blowing stuff out of it and picking away with the dental pick over and over again. A little bit frustrated watching him do this. It's not something I would do to a phone. He knows what he's doing. He works for Samsung and they've got all the tools in the drawer. I'm a little bit confused, but I'll let him do his thing. He does this for about 15 minutes of picking and then tells me, oh, look, I can't fix it. We'll have to send it away. Probably what I should have done to start with, mate. But anyway, off we go. We send it away. 24 hours later, I get a phone call from one of the repairmen who says the charging port has corrosion in it and it's not covered under warranty. What has corroded the charging port? Why is it not covered under warranty? I'm not cool with this, and I think this is not the last Samsung are going to hear about this. I'm going to take this to the top if I have to, because I'm a customer. $1,500 is a lot of money. And I should be able to get it fixed. There was nothing done to the device to make it corrode. So I say to them, listen, I don't care what your policy is about replacements and warranties. This is faulty. As nothing has been done to it to corrode it, replace it. Oh, we can't, sir, it's not under warranty. I don't care, put your manager on, I'm not going to stand for this. Then they said, in exact words, calm down, buddy. We'll help you get it sorted. Anyway, they said they'll call me back within the hour. 4 hours later, I called them and they said, look, sir, we apologise. We're going to replace it under the warranty. And I said, thank you. So you should, because I haven't done anything to break it. And I asked them, what has corroded the port? It has never been in water. I would like to know what has corroded it so that I don't go near it again. The only other thing it's been near is air or a charging port. So I don't really know what to do, Samsung. I don't know what to tell people. Should I get a Samsung Galaxy Note 9? No, the charging port corrodes every 2 months and it's not covered under warranty. That's what happened to me. So I would say to you all, if you're going to buy a Galaxy Note 9, be prepared for this problem. Another thing that the rep said to me on the phone, that maybe it's humidity. Well, if humidity causes the phone to erode, maybe don't sell it to anyone south of the equator because there's a lot of humidity down here. I truly believe that Samsung need to lift their game when it comes to customer service. Apple have got them licked. You can go into an Apple store and they'll fix it or replace it pretty much straight away. Me, I've got to argue with people. I've got to spend my money on petrol and all sorts of things and take time off work to go and get it looked at, and then it's not covered under warranty. Yet they can't tell me what's corroded it or what's caused the issue, but they just say, no, mister, it's your problem. I don't think that's real cool. And Samsung, if you do watch this, I doubt that you will, but if you do, I appreciate that you did end up fixing it because it is under warranty and I have a right to have it fixed. But you need to work out what's causing this. There's a lot of people online with this same problem. And to anyone who's had it, take it to Samsung and demand that they fix it. They need to get on top of this stuff. Otherwise, they're going to start losing a lot more customers than they already are losing. Now, this is a bit odd for me. Normally, I'll have a 30-second rant about something in my videos, but not today. This is like a 9-minute rant of how Samsung let me down, a loyal customer, and I'm going to tell as many people as I can to be careful of them. I'd like to see more people get treated fairly by these big companies. That's it. Hit me up in the comments. Press that like button and the subscribe button. Keep your Note 9 away from water. They say it's waterproof, but it's not corrosion proof. And they said the corrosion might be, well, just don't put it near water. Anyway, that's it for me. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Check out.